Hi everyone, today I want to show you how you can watch movies entirely for free. And these websites are entirely legal. The catch is you might have to watch the occasional ad and may not find every single movie that you're looking for. But you will likely find many high quality movies that are worth your time. Alright, let's check this out. At number one, we have tubitv.com. When you get at the homepage, simply click on the play button or you can navigate the catalog. On the browse, you can overhit and see the specific genres of the movies that you wish to watch. You can switch from action to animes to comedy or TV crimes to even documentaries. You have a search tab on the right where you can search for the specific movie that you're looking for. Tubi TV also has an app for your TV and also for your PC, which you can click and download to watch for more flexibility on the app. At number two, we have youtube.com. Yeah, a lot of people forget that YouTube is one of the best movie sites there is. What you have to do is to scroll down at the left navbar and look for movies and TV. Click on that and it takes you to movies and TV. You can then browse at the specific movies that you are looking for. The only drawback is you can't search for the specific movie. You have to scroll for the movie that you are looking for. From the variety of the lists of movies here, you will have to scroll until you find which specific movie you would like to watch. You can watch live feeds and also purchase movies over here too. At number three, we have plutotv.com. When you land at the homepage, it automatically starts playing your movie. You can also watch live TV and also click to watch which videos are on demand. You can see which videos are featured and filter with the specific genres on your left navbar. You can click on view all to get the full list of movies on that specific genre. It also has a search bar where you can filter and see the movie that you want to watch. Finally, we have freevee.com or IMDb TV. This is pretty straightforward. The only drawback is some of the movies are paid. You just click on the movie and it starts playing automatically. You can search and narrow down your searches for movies on the search bar. You can see which movies are new and also you can switch from movies to sports. There you have it. Hopefully you found a good movie or two that you can watch for free. If you found one, let me know down in the comments below. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.